in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, northern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Union, or 6 miles south of Croft State Park, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Union, Buffalo, Jonesville, Sarrett, Pauline, Adamsburg, Lockhart, and Monarch Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Spartanburg, and Union. Here is a special weather statement.